Hey, so what is Jungle Scout used for? In this video, I'm going to try explaining it to you. Jungle Scout is software for Amazon sellers, and it has many uses. I'll talk to you about them. In the description of the video, I have a full tutorial that shows you how to use Jungle Scout from A to Z. So all the tools that we're going to kind of discuss here today in the features part here, you'll see how to use them. I guess there is ad from Jungle Scout. And also in the description, you're going to find the best deals, discounts, and coupons for Jungle Scout. So enjoy that. So what is there? What are the features and what is it used for? So basically there's the browser extension here. As you can see, this tool allows you to find products, validate products on Amazon. Very nice tool. Also, it's explained in that other video, and I have other tutorials for the extension. Very nice extension. I think one of the most popular extensions for Amazon sellers. You can also get it in the description. I have a link to the extension for you. Keyword Scout. This is going to be used for keyword research on Amazon, so you'll be able to find the best keywords for your product. Product Tracker will show you like what's going on with the different products that you're tracking, so how their sales are changing, what differences are happening in these products. Rank Tracker will show you the keyword rank of your product. So for example, you have a stainless steel kitchen scissors. I used to sell that product, by the way, and you want to see what's your rank for stainless steel scissors, what's the rank for kitchen scissors, dishwasher safe, for example. So Rank Tracker will help you do that also for yourself and competition. Opportunity Finder here will help you with the product research on Amazon. Very nice tool for product research. Listing Builder will help you build listings on Amazon, and the Product Database will kind of show you also different products that there are in the database of Jungle Scout. It's a product research tool as well. I'll remind you that how to use these tools is in the description. There's this big video with ad, and it will definitely help you. Or my Jungle Scout tutorials playlist, which has over, I think, 80 at this point, that show you how to use different parts. So product database, supplier database, all these you're going to see. Review automation will help you kind of send automatic review requests to your customers on Amazon. So it's a very nice thing to have for sure for reviews, and that will help you get more sales eventually if you get good reviews. Supplier database will help you find the best suppliers for your products. That's one of the unique features of Jungle Scout. Sales analytics will show you your sales analytics, pretty much what's your profit, what's your loss, in a more kind of better way than, let's say, Amazon gives you these numbers. Academy will show you the basics of selling on Amazon and of using Jungle Scout. It's their like educational resource. Advertising analytics is a tool for PPC. Pay-per-click on Amazon will help you kind of see the results of your pay-per-click and even maybe help you improve your pay-per-click with some suggestions that it can give you. And generally, it's like a tool to automate your PPC in a way, you can say, maybe not fully automating it, but it definitely gives you a big automation of your PPC in a way. It's also discussed in that big video with ad, so advertising analytics. And then Inventory Manager is going to help you with managing your inventory. So basically when to order more inventory, how to not go out of stock, how to not overstock. Very nice tool. Alerts is going to help you with different things that change on your listing, like maybe your category changed or the price changed. And if you have many products, even if you have one product, you should be kind of on the guard and alert like what's going on. So alerts helps you with that. Promotions help you kind of give your product to many people to use with discounted prices. So you can kind of get more sales. You can get some velocity in the algorithm, maybe even some reviews. This is not a review tool, but maybe you get some unverified reviews from sales with big discounts. It might happen. So promotions is not used for reviews, but mainly used to kind of get sales and move your product higher in ranks, and generally kind of give sales velocity, which pretty much moves you higher in ranks on Amazon. And category trends is another tool you can say for and data for product research that will give you trends of a category, and you can pick good products from there, hopefully for your own store. There's much more to Jungle Scout, and pretty much the pricing and the three plans that there are basic, suite, and professional. You can pay monthly or yearly. I have the best discounts for you in the description. If you want to see like exactly what's included in each plan, I would recommend you watching my videos of Jungle Scout Basic vs Suite plan and Jungle Scout Suite vs Professional plan. Basically, there's two videos. In these videos, you'll discover what the plan has for you, but also the price of it and like what tools it has. So if you're a beginner, you can watch the first video, Basic vs Suite. If you are a beginner that kind of wants to make it well, or a bigger seller or an existing seller, definitely watch Suite vs Professional, because Professional packages for those more established sellers. Maybe a beginner will have it enough with the Suite, but Professional is also good for beginners. Check out here on the screen the video with Ed, A to Z tutorial of Jungle Scout, and here are going to be the best discounts for Jungle Scout for you. All the resources are in the description from this video, and I wish you a great day, great life, happy life. Talk to you soon. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.